Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. It's no secret that many young women like men 20 years older. Many 20-year-old women marry men 40 or older. Why would a 20-year-old girl dump her hot boyfriend and marry a 40-year-old guy? The reason is simple. A hot guy was not mature enough to handle this girl who was looking for something more serious. But this often gets a bad reputation. People assume that young women only want money, and older men are only interested in young women's looks. Yet money and status are not the only reasons why younger women are attracted to older men. Why do younger women like older men? Often women are more mature than men their age. They have to be mothers and have to wait for them to grow up. They just play around and are afraid to commit. Younger women think older men are more experienced in dating. They can make their fantasies come true in bed, and it is considered to be a better lover and partner. With all the reasons above, we are sure you have even stronger reasons to get the much younger woman of your dreams, right? But for all these reasons, if you don't know the signs that a younger woman likes you, then your chances of getting her are lost. Here are 5 proven signs that a younger woman likes an older man. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Flirting. When a woman is attracted to you, she will compliment your looks, your muscles, your personality, anything that she thinks is attractive, she will compliment you on. So she will often bat her lashes and giggle, acting coy. Because we all know guys love a shy woman. Some women flirt more subtly, which is down to their confidence level. Despite the fact that women flirt in different ways, it will be very clear that she is doing so. Thus, try not to get too worked up about trying to figure things out. 2. She touches you. She will find a way to touch you when she's around you. She will sit beside you whenever the opportunity presents itself. She's creating a bridge for you to cross, sort of, by reaching out and touching you. She will do this in case the feeling isn't mutual, and she then has that escape route to back her up. This alerts your subconscious that she's very close. 3. Showing confidence. Many women may pretend to be confident by their body language, posture, and gestures, even if they are not, in an attempt to get your attention. They know older men love a confident woman who knows what she wants and isn't afraid to go and get it. A self-assured woman will walk with her head held high and her shoulders back, meeting everyone's eyes with a straight gaze. 4. She wants your advice and opinion. Women, in general, are confident in their intuition and would often go with their gut when making a decision. When she encounters a major decision she has to make, she'll come to you first for some advice. The fact that she would ask for your opinion says a lot about where you stand in her life. You'll see that she likes you when she values what you have to say. 5. She often compliments you. If a woman is interested in you, then she will compliment you on your clothes, hair, and other things. If she constantly makes these compliments, then that means that she is interested in you and sees you as attractive. Just because you're older, doesn't mean that you are over the hill or shouldn't make an effort with your appearance. So, keep yourself well groomed and well dressed to keep her interested and wanting more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.